Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. Serums are available in the Indian market, but what makes me to do this video? A. It is cost effective. B. It is suitable for oily skin type. Finding serum for oily skin is most difficult than solving a math problem. I made it simple by making it at home. Let's see how to prepare it. Add half a cup of aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Cut and squeeze 2 vitamin E capsules. Slowly add in the rose water and mix well. Make sure the consistency is not too thick and not too thin. Mix by adding the rose water. You will get a white mixture like so. Check the consistency. It is perfect. So now let's transfer it to a dropper bottle. Rose water helps to maintain the skin's pH balance and also it controls excess oiliness. Rose water helps to hydrate, revitalize and moisturize the skin, giving it a fresh look. Rose water helps to clean the pores and tones the skin. It helps in minimizing large open pores and improving the skin texture. It also helps in preventing wrinkles and fine lines. Glycerin reduces the size of the pores. Glycerin is gentle even on sensitive skin. It helps to soothe inflammation and redness. It clears acne and pimples. It fades away scars and black spots on the face with regular usage. The hydrating benefits of aloe vera keeps the skin moisturized without adding any oiliness. Oily skin is very much prone to breakouts. Aloe vera can help the skin to avoid acne and pimples. The soothing and cooling properties of aloe vera helps in freshening up the dull oily skin. Vitamin E oil is rich in antioxidants that makes it perfect to eliminate acne and acne scars. It also hydrates the skin and makes it glow and delays the sign of aging. Vitamin E oil gets easily absorbed into the skin and speeds up the process of healing acne. Apply it onto your face and massage it until the serum gets absorbed. You can apply this serum every day. It's natural, which can yield you maximum benefits for skin. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.